Now, first things first, open up Blender. Now I'm gonna make a hologram using Eevee. And just for a quick reminder, let's set up Eevee. To be clear, this is just a basic setup. You can play with this all around how you want and how you like it. You may ask, why do we need all of this? Well, as you can guess, I'm gonna make an hologram using glass. I guess there are different ways to do it, but this is the way I like. And don't forget to turn on the screen space reflection. And for a clean look, I'm gonna use IOR 1. I'm just kidding. This is not the way how you want to make your glass texture. Now you see it, and now don't. Before I show you the hologram, let me first show you how to make the ball visible. First thing you want to do is to delete this node. Now it gets a little bit messy. If you don't know, just go to Add in Search and type the names one by one. And after you're done adding these nodes, just connect them as I did. But as you can see, the ball is still not visible. Just go to Material and don't forget to turn this on. But now, back to the hologram. I've prepared an PNG image so that it's transparent. Add your PNG, mix shader. As you can see, the text is all over the place. To fix it, we need to play in UV editing. But this tutorial is not about that. So let's just use a simple mesh. Alright, so search and add color. Let me fix that. And don't be afraid if something doesn't work, as you can see. It really depends where you input your shader into the mix shader. And as you can see, all of the magic now is happening in the mapping node. To animate it, just press E on the frame where you want to start, and then do whatever you want. And as you can imagine, you can play around with it how much you want and do all kinds of crazy stuff. You can animate whatever you want here. It's just a quick demonstration of what you can do. Now, your fantasy is your only limitation. Good luck, and I hope that it was helpful for you.